Hey, what's good everybody? It's Jax and welcome to the Jaxsology Network. I am here with a review today, the Flawless Contour Micro Vibrating Facial Roller and Massager. That's right. Now, this is made with genuine rose quartz, which is actually one of my favorite stones. Rose quartz is supposed to be very good for your love life, but
it's frightening.
This facial roller helps improve firmness, circulation, and skin tone. And the under eye stone that it comes with, which is great, helps reduce puffy eyes, dark circles, and inflammation.
Is there anything else you need help with?
And thankfully, I've got none of that going on today. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. You have the Flawless roller. This is the eye roller. And of course, you know me, I love the batteries. Send me batteries. So that way, when I take your product out of the box for the first time, I can try it out and see how it works instead of running around trying to find a battery. Okay, so thank you. Now, when you unbox it, you will get this. Just simply twist off the bottom. Make sure that the positive end of the battery is facing the bottom of the handle.
Are you sure about that?
Pop it in. Put it back on. Is it easy? Is it hard?
That's what she said.
It's easy. Just got to line it up. Right here is the switch. Press it up. Oh, it's vibrating. It's vibrating.
I like the sound of that.
Now, the correct way to use the roller on your face, turn it on, and you want to start in your neck area, and you might want to do this like 3 to 4 times.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
Just do your whole neck area. And then when you work the face, to go up and out towards the hairline, all around the face, the chin, never work down, never back and forth like a saw.
I saw what I saw.
Lay it on your skin lightly and just roll upwards. Do that across your whole face. Up here. I even hit my nose too. My nose! Like, why not?
What else you gonna use it for?
Now let's do the eyes. I've secured the eye roller. Starting at the inner eye, you want to just put it down for like 3 to 5 seconds and lift and move outward.
Really? That sounds fascinating.
Doesn't even take pressure. Don't do it hard. Just like that.
That sounds simple enough. Let's just do that.
With the facial roller, you are able to put on your serum or your favorite moisturizer before you do your little program.
Yes, I know this, but I would like to know about you. What do you like to do?
I really like this. It feels good in my hand. The vibration is enough. It's not too much.
Grow up. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Both stones feel really cold. Please do not keep them in the refrigerator as per the instructions. I like her.
Yeah, I like you too.
And I'll tell you what, Flawless has some real flawless product. Yup, that's right. Flawless brows, the original flawless hair, and now the flawless roller. I like them. I like them a lot. So I picked mine up. Where did I get you from?
Figure it out. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I got this at Walmart. I believe it was under $20, $19.99. Why do they always say that? Under 20. It's just a penny under 20. I'll give you the 20, okay?
That's literally the least you can do.
I'll let you in on how to clean it. And this is how I clean my stones. You just want to get a cotton cloth and wipe the stones. Do not use alcohol. Do not use any kind of cleaners, Windex, nothing like that.
She means what she said.
Even microfiber, but I don't use microfiber because to me it suggests that there's some rubbing of some sort. So I just like to use a nice soft cloth. All right, go get it.
Don't rush me.
I like it. And what is it? It's not going to do anything detrimental. And even if it does nothing, it feels good. It feels really good. So let's all go work on our neck meat, okay?
What the hell did you just say?
In the meantime and in between time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And did you enjoy the video? Then give it a like. And hey, comment. Let me know if you have one, if you use one, if you're going to buy one, give one, whatever. Let me know down below. I do engage and respond to all comments. All right, you guys, I'm out of here.
Good work, sister girl.
I shall see you next time. But until then, y'all be good. And glow. Glow on. Glow on. Glow on. Glow on. Now, oops, before I do that, what you will see, you have the facial roller. Oh, whoa, that light. I am going to be reviewing the Flawless Contour. That's right. Right now, my dark circles are behaving. Do I have a double A? Do I have 2 triple A's? Yeah, so thank you for the batteries. My face is flushed and feeling good. that under eye situation, okay?